Hey everyone, Jed Sippel here. I'm coming today from the beautiful Salinas Valley here in California. Beside me is Pete McAvoy, our Fairbanks Seeds representative, also from Australia. Today we're looking at the future of veg. It's here in California today. Pete has travelled over. What's brought you over here, Pete?
Yeah, we're very excited, Jed, to be here. We've actually brought a couple of our most important customers from Australia, from Tripod Farms. So Angela and Carmel, who are the directors of Tripod Farms in Australia, and their sisters. And yeah, we're very excited to bring them here to look at the future of veg in Salinas Valley in California and look at some amazing new varieties from Syngenta.
Fairbanks Seeds for Syngenta in Australia. We've been partnering with Fairbanks now for over 10 years. It's a highly valuable partnership for us in Australia and New Zealand. The Fairbanks guys, I know about them, they are highly mobile. These guys travel the world looking at new varieties here in California, sometimes in Europe. What are you seeing today that's perhaps a little bit different for you, Pete?
Yeah, probably there's some unique things here today, particularly with the American breeding program for Syngenta. So the romaine segment in particular is quite interesting to look at. There is quite a few differences to the portfolios from Europe. So that's quite, yeah, that brings a new angle for us to look at. But one of the great things is there's a lot of similarities in the multi-leaf, in the spinach, in the brassicas. So seeing what's performing here and why, and discussing that with our customers and understanding what's important to them and what new we can bring back to make sure that we're capitalising on every opportunity for Fairbanks and Syngenta in Australia and New Zealand.
And why are these events so important for the Fairbanks team?
That's a good question. It's very rare that you get so many of the varieties you work with in the same place at the same time. So I think that's the beautiful thing with field days, is that you get the opportunity to look at the whole segment, the whole portfolio for every crop under one condition, one environment. And you see the nuances and the differences, and it's a great chance to discuss those small differences that can be really important for growers and how different varieties will fit together. So yeah, and like you said, we get to travel to the USA, often to Europe as well for Syngenta, to look at field days in different parts of the world, and the performance can be so different in different environments. So that's, in many ways, the most important part of our job is to understand what's going to work for Australia and New Zealand and why, and make sure that we understand exactly how to select the best performing varieties.
And one thing we do know about us growers in Australia and New Zealand, they are hungry, absolutely hungry for innovation. So field events like this are so important, and Fairbanks Seeds are our eyes and ears across Australia and New Zealand in the leafy brassica space. So it's so important that Peter and his team, and brought some customers from Australia today as well to share in this event. So I really do thank you, Pete.
No, thank you, Jed. It's a wonderful partnership, like you said, more than a decade in Australia and New Zealand now, and yeah, we're only growing stronger, and yeah, it's wonderful to be able to attend here and share in such a great experience with the whole Syngenta team from the USA.